Microbes are tiny organisms that play a massive role in our world. From bacteria to fungi, these microscopic life forms are everywhere, shaping ecosystems and influencing human health. Today, we're diving into how microbes adapt to their environments and how scientists use genetic engineering to harness their power. Understanding these processes opens doors to innovations in medicine, agriculture, and environmental protection. Let's start by exploring what makes microbes so unique and why their adaptability is crucial for survival. Microbes come in countless shapes and sizes, each with distinct characteristics. This diversity allows them to thrive in extreme environments, from deep oceans to hot springs. Their adaptability is a result of millions of years of evolution, enabling them to survive where other organisms cannot. By studying microbial diversity, scientists gain insights into how life persists under challenging conditions and how microbes contribute to global processes like nutrient cycling. Microbes adapt through various mechanisms, including mutation, gene transfer, and metabolic changes. These adaptations help them resist antibiotics, tolerate harsh environments, and exploit new resources. For example, bacteria can exchange genetic material with each other, spreading traits that enhance survival. Such flexibility is key to their resilience and ability to colonize diverse habitats. Mutations are random changes in microbial DNA that can lead to new traits. Some mutations are beneficial, allowing microbes to survive better in changing environments. Over time, these mutations accumulate, resulting in populations that are well suited to their surroundings. This process is a fundamental driver of microbial evolution and adaptation. Gene transfer is a process where microbes exchange genetic material. This can happen through several methods such as conjugation, transformation, or transduction. By sharing genes, microbes rapidly acquire new abilities like antibiotic resistance or enhanced metabolism. This adaptability is a major reason why microbes are so successful in diverse environments. Microbes can adjust their metabolism to utilize different energy sources. This flexibility allows them to survive in environments with limited nutrients or extreme conditions. For example, some bacteria can switch from aerobic to anaerobic metabolism, depending on oxygen availability. Such metabolic adaptability is essential for their persistence and ecological impact. Microbes face constant environmental challenges including temperature shifts, pH changes, and nutrient scarcity. Their ability to adapt quickly is crucial for survival. By evolving new traits or acquiring genes from other microbes, they overcome these obstacles and continue to thrive. This resilience makes them valuable in biotechnology and environmental management. One of the most well-known examples of microbial adaptation is antibiotic resistance. Through mutation and gene transfer, bacteria develop mechanisms to survive exposure to antibiotics. This poses a significant challenge for medicine, as resistant strains can spread rapidly. Understanding how microbes adapt helps researchers develop new strategies to combat resistance. Genetic engineering involves modifying the DNA of microbes to enhance their abilities or create new functions. Scientists use tools like CRISPR to edit genes, allowing precise changes. This technology enables the development of microbes that produce medicines, clean up pollution, or improve crop yields. Genetic engineering is revolutionizing biotechnology and opening new possibilities. CRISPR is a powerful tool for genetic engineering. It allows scientists to target specific genes and make precise edits. This technology has transformed research, making gene editing faster, cheaper, and more accurate. With CRISPR, microbes can be engineered to perform tasks like producing biofuels or fighting diseases. The possibilities are vast and exciting. Genetically engineered microbes are used to produce medicines such as insulin and antibiotics. By modifying their DNA, scientists can make microbes synthesize complex molecules that are difficult to obtain otherwise. This approach has improved drug production, making treatments more accessible and affordable. Microbial engineering continues to advance medical science. Engineered microbes can help clean up pollution and restore ecosystems. For example, some bacteria are designed to break down toxic chemicals or oil spills. This bioremediation process is safer and more efficient than traditional methods. By harnessing microbial power, scientists address environmental challenges and promote sustainability. Microbes are engineered to improve crop yields and protect plants from diseases. By enhancing their abilities, scientists create biofertilizers and biopesticides that reduce reliance on chemicals. These innovations support sustainable agriculture and help feed a growing population. Microbial engineering is transforming farming practices worldwide. In industry, engineered microbes are used to produce biofuels, enzymes, and other valuable products. By optimizing their metabolic pathways, scientists increase efficiency and reduce costs. These applications are driving innovation in manufacturing, energy, and materials science. Microbial engineering is a key player in the bioeconomy. Bioinformatics is essential for analyzing microbial genomes and designing genetic modifications. By using computational tools, scientists identify target genes and predict outcomes of engineering. This integration of biology and technology accelerates research and enhances precision. Bioinformatics is shaping the future of microbial engineering. Genetic engineering raises important ethical questions. Scientists must consider the risks and benefits of modifying microbes, especially regarding environmental impact and safety. Responsible research and regulation are crucial to ensure that innovations are safe and beneficial. Public engagement and transparency help build trust in microbial engineering. Governments and organizations develop regulations to guide genetic engineering. These frameworks ensure that engineered microbes are safe for humans and the environment. By setting standards and monitoring research, regulators promote responsible innovation. Collaboration between scientists, policymakers, and the public is essential for progress. Future of microbial adaptation and genetic engineering is bright. Advances in technology will enable even more precise modifications and new applications. From personalized medicine to sustainable energy, the possibilities are expanding rapidly. Continued research and collaboration will drive innovation and address global challenges. Microbial evolution is a continuous process, driven by adaptation and genetic change. By studying how microbes evolve, scientists uncover the mechanisms behind their resilience and versatility. This knowledge informs genetic engineering and helps predict future trends in microbial behavior. Synthetic biology combines engineering principles with biology to design new microbial functions. By constructing artificial genetic circuits, scientists create microbes with tailored abilities. This field is revolutionizing biotechnology, enabling breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and industry. Microbes often live in communities, interacting with each other and their environment. These interactions influence adaptation and genetic exchange. By engineering microbial communities, scientists can enhance ecosystem functions and develop new biotechnologies. The microbiome is the collection of microbes living in and on organisms. Engineering the microbiome can improve health, boost immunity, and treat diseases. By understanding microbial adaptation, scientists design interventions that support beneficial microbes and suppress harmful ones. Engineered microbes can act as sensors, detecting environmental changes or pollutants. By modifying their genetic circuits, scientists create microbes that respond to specific signals. These sensors are valuable for monitoring ecosystems and ensuring safety. Microbes are engineered to function as factories, producing valuable compounds like vitamins, enzymes, and biofuels. By optimizing their genetic pathways, scientists increase production efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Microbial factories are central to modern biotechnology. Microbes are studied in space to understand how they adapt to extreme conditions. Research on the International Space Station reveals unique adaptation mechanisms and informs genetic engineering for space exploration. Engineered microbes may support life on other planets by recycling waste and producing food. Genetic engineering of microbes faces technical and biological challenges. Ensuring stability, avoiding unintended consequences, and achieving desired traits require careful design and testing. Ongoing research addresses these challenges, improving reliability and safety. Public perception of genetic engineering influences research and policy. Education and transparent communication help address concerns and build support for responsible innovation. Engaging communities ensures that microbial engineering benefits society as a whole. International collaboration accelerates progress in microbial adaptation and genetic engineering. Scientists share knowledge, resources, and expertise to tackle global challenges. Partnerships between academia, industry, and governments drive innovation and ensure equitable benefits. Education and training are vital for advancing microbial engineering. By teaching new generations of scientists, we ensure continued innovation and responsible research. Hands-on experience and interdisciplinary learning prepare experts to tackle complex challenges. Microbial adaptation and genetic engineering are transforming science and society. From medicine to environmental protection, engineered microbes offer solutions to pressing challenges. As technology advances, responsible research and collaboration will unlock even greater potential. The journey of microbial innovation continues, shaping a healthier and more sustainable future.